Say, welcome to this lesson. In this part, we will talk about creating a simple daily study routine to learn English at home by yourself. Many learners feel confused. They ask, how should I study English? They watch many videos. They try different methods. But they do not stay consistent. The problem is not ability. The problem is lack of a simple routine. When you do not have a clear plan, you feel lost. Some days you study a lot. Other days you do nothing. This breaks your progress. So the solution is simple. Create a small, easy, daily routine. Let's understand this step by step. First, you do not need many hours. You do not need a perfect schedule. You only need 10 to 30 minutes every day. Yes, just 10 to 30 minutes. Why? Because short daily practice is better than long, irregular study. If you study for 2 hours today and then stop for 5 days, you will forget. But if you study a little every day, your brain stays connected to English. Now, let's build your routine. We will keep it very simple. Your daily routine has 3 parts. *** listening, speaking, repeating. ***, let's start with listening. Every day, listen to slow and easy English. It can be a short podcast, a simple video, or an audio lesson. Do not choose something difficult. Choose something you can understand. Listen for 5 to 10 minutes. Do not try to understand every word. Just focus on the main idea. Relax and listen. Now, the second step. Speaking. After listening, speak a few simple sentences. You can repeat what you heard, or you can talk about your day. For example, I wake up early. I am learning English. I practice every day. Simple sentences are enough. Do not wait to speak perfect English. Just speak. Now, the third step. Repetition. Repeat the same sentences again. For example, I am learning English. I am learning English. I am learning English every day. When you repeat, your brain remembers better. Repetition builds confidence. Now, let's put everything together. Here is your daily routine. Listen for 5 to 10 minutes. Speak for 5 to 10 minutes. Repeat for a few minutes. That's all. Simple, easy, powerful. Now, let's talk about consistency. Consistency means doing something every day. Even if you feel tired, do a little practice. Even if you have no time, do 1 or 2 sentences. Small action is better than no action. Now, imagine this. You follow this routine every day. Day 1, day 2, day 3. At first, it feels slow. But after 1 week, you feel better. After 1 month, you feel more confident. You understand more. You speak more. This is real progress. Now, let's talk about motivation. Do not wait for motivation. Some days, you will feel lazy. That is normal. But your routine will help you. When you have a habit, you do not need motivation. You just follow the routine. Now, let's practice a few simple sentences together. Repeat after me. I study English every day. I follow my routine. I improve step by step. Again, I study English every day. I follow my routine. I improve step by step. Good. These sentences help you stay focused. Now, let's talk about one more important idea. Keep it simple. Do not make your routine difficult. If it is too hard, you will stop. Keep it easy so you can continue. Remember, you do not need many books. You do not need many apps. You need a simple plan and daily action. Now, think about your own routine. When will you study? Morning? Evening? Night? Choose one time. Make it your English time. Even 10 minutes is enough. Now, imagine your future. You follow your routine every day. You listen, you speak, you repeat. Slowly, your English improves. You feel confident. You can understand more. You can speak more easily. This is the power of a simple routine. So start today. Do not wait. Take a small step. Listen a little. Speak a little. And repeat. Because if you follow a simple routine every day, you will reach your goal. Keep going. Stay consistent. Your English journey has already started. In this part of the lesson, we will focus on improving listening with easy and slow English. This is one of the most important steps when you are learning English at home by yourself. Many learners struggle with listening. They say, English people speak too fast. They feel confused. They stop listening after a few seconds. Then they think, I cannot understand English. But here is the truth. The problem is not your ability. The problem is the speed and difficulty of the input. If English is too fast, your brain cannot process it. If English is too difficult, you lose focus. So the solution is simple. Start with slow and easy English. Now let's understand why this is so powerful. When you listen to slow English, your brain gets time to understand each word. You are not rushing. You are not guessing. You are actually hearing the structure of the language. For example, listen to this sentence. I am learning English. Slowly. I am learning English. Now, you can clearly hear every word. Your brain connects sound with meaning. This is the first step to real listening skills. Now, let's go deeper. Listening is not just about hearing words. It is about understanding meaning. Even if you do not know every word, you can still understand the idea. For example, I go to work every day. You may not think about grammar. You just imagine the action. You see a person going to work. This is natural learning. See. Now, let's talk about how to practice slow listening every day. First, choose simple content. Do not start with movies or fast conversations. Start with slow podcasts, beginner English videos, easy listening lessons, short audio stories. Keep it simple. Second, listen daily. Even 10 minutes is enough. Do not skip days, because daily listening is what builds understanding. If you listen once a week, your progress will be slow. But if you listen every day, your brain starts adapting to English. Now, here is a very important method. Listen more than once. **** first time. Just listen and understand the main idea. Second time. Notice more words. Third time. Try to understand full sentences. Each time, your understanding improves. Now, let's add another powerful technique. Repetition with listening. Listen to a sentence, then repeat it. For example, I wake up early. Now repeat. I wake up early. Now repeat. I wake up early. This helps your ears and mouth work together. Now, let's talk about confidence. Many learners feel shy when they don't understand everything, but listen carefully. You do not need to understand 100%. Even 50% understanding is progress. Even 30% is progress. Because every time you listen, your brain is learning patterns. Now, let's practice mindset. Instead of saying, this is too fast, say, I am learning step by step. Instead of saying, I cannot understand, say, see, I am improving every day. Your mindset is very important in learning English. Now, let's do a small listening practice exercise. Imagine you hear this. I drink tea in the morning. Pause for a moment. Think about it. You understand. Morning, tea, drinking. Simple idea. That is enough. Now, let's repeat. I drink tea in the morning. Good. Now another one. I study English every day. Repeat. I study English every day. Very good. Now, let's talk about progress. At the beginning, listening feels difficult. But after a few days of practice, something changes. You start recognizing words. After 1 week, you understand more sentences. After 1 month, you feel more comfortable. This is how progress works. Slow, but real. Now, let's talk about a big mistake. Many learners try to understand everything at once. They stop and translate every word. This slows you down. Instead, try this. Focus on meaning, not translation. Listen like a story. Do not stop too much. Let your brain adjust naturally. Now, let's build a simple daily listening plan. 10 minutes of slow English audio. Listen without pressure. Repeat 2 to 3 sentences. Focus on meaning, not words. That's it. Simple and effective. Now imagine your future self. You listen every day. Slow English becomes easier. You understand more without effort. You feel relaxed when you hear English. This is your goal. So remember, start slow. Listen daily. Stay patient. Because every minute of listening is building your English skills. Keep going step by step. Your listening will improve naturally and confidently. In this part of the lesson, we will focus on practicing speaking alone with simple sentences. This is one of the most powerful methods to improve your English fluency when you are learning at home by yourself. Many learners think speaking English means you must have a partner. They believe they cannot practice alone. Because of this belief, they wait for someone to speak with them. And during this waiting time, they do not practice at all. But here is the truth. You do not need a partner to start speaking English. You can practice alone, anytime, anywhere. This is called self-speaking practice. Now, let's understand how it works. When you speak alone, you are training your brain to think in English. You are also training your mouth to form English sounds. At first, it may feel strange. You might think, I am talking to myself, but this is actually very powerful learning. Let's start with the simplest method. Speak about your daily life. For example, I wake up early, I brush my teeth, I drink tea, I go to work. These are very simple sentences, but they are very effective.
Why?
Because they connect English with your real life. Now let's go step by step. Say, first, look around you. What are you doing right now? You can say, I am sitting, I am learning English, I am listening to a podcast. Just describe your actions. This helps your brain think in English naturally. Now let's move a little further. Try to speak about your past day. For example, I went to work yesterday. I studied English in the evening. I watched a video. Even if your grammar is not perfect, it is okay. The goal is practice, not perfection. Now let's talk about confidence. Many learners feel shy when speaking alone. They think it is not useful. But listen carefully. Every fluent speaker started by speaking alone. It builds confidence step by step. Now let's practice a simple exercise. Repeat after me. I can speak English. I am learning step by step. I improve every day. Again. I can speak English. I am learning step by step. I improve every day. Good. Now let's make it more powerful. Try to add small details. For example, I can speak English every day. I am learning English at home. I improve my speaking slowly. This helps you build longer sentences. Now let's talk about thinking in English. When you speak alone daily, something changes in your brain. You stop translating from your language. Instead, you start thinking directly in English. For example, instead of thinking in your language first, then translating, say, you directly think, I need water. I am tired. I want to learn English. This is a big step toward fluency. Now let's do a small practice. Look at your environment and describe it. For example, this is my room. I have a table. I have a chair. I am learning English here. Very simple. Very effective. Now let's talk about routine. You should practice speaking alone every day. Even 5 to 10 minutes is enough. You can do it in the morning or before sleep. The key is consistency. Now let's talk about improvement. At the beginning, you may speak slowly. You may stop often. You may search for words. This is normal. But after a few days, you will notice improvement. You will speak more smoothly. You will think faster. You will feel more confident. Now let's remove fear. Do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. So do not stop yourself. Just speak. Now let's practice positive thinking. Repeat after me. I am not afraid to speak English. I am not afraid to speak English. I improve when I practice. I become better every day. Again, I am not afraid to speak English. I improve when I practice. I become better every day. Good. Now imagine your progress. Day 1, you speak a few words. Day 7, you speak simple sentences. Day 30, you speak more naturally. This is how self-practice works. Slow, but powerful. Sit. Now, let's create your daily speaking plan. Speak about your routine. Describe your surroundings. Repeat simple sentences. Talk about your thoughts. That's it. No pressure. No stress. Just speaking practice. Now remember, fluency is built by speaking, not only listening. If you speak daily, your confidence grows. If your confidence grows, your English improves. So start today. Speak a little. Think in English. Practice every day. Because every sentence you speak brings you closer to fluency. In this final part of the lesson, we will focus on a very important idea: building fluency with repetition and consistency. Many English learners want to become fluent quickly. They try new methods every day. They watch different videos. They change their study style again and again. But they still feel stuck. Why does this happen? Because they are missing one simple thing: repetition and consistency. Asterisk asterisk, let's understand this step by step. First, what is repetition? Repetition means doing the same thing again and again. For example, I am learning English. I am learning English. I am learning English. I am learning English. When you repeat a sentence, your brain starts remembering it naturally. You don't need to force it. It becomes automatic. Now let's talk about consistency. Consistency means doing something every day without stopping, even if it is a small action. Even if it is just a few minutes. Now combine these two ideas. Repetition plus consistency equals fluency. This is the real secret. Now let's understand why repetition is so powerful. When you hear or speak the same sentence many times, your brain creates patterns. For example, you hear, "If I practice every day, I improve." After hearing it again and again, you don't need to think about grammar. You just know it feels correct. This is natural learning. Now let's practice. Repeat after me. If I practice every day, I improve. Again. If I practice every day, I improve. Good. Now another one. I am becoming more confident. Repeat. I am becoming more confident. Very good. Now let's add consistency to your routine. Imagine you practice just 10 minutes every day. Day 1, you learn a few sentences. Day 2, you repeat them. Day 3, you use them again. Day 7, you remember them easily. Day 30, they become natural. This is how fluency is built. Slowly, step by step. Now let's talk about shadowing. Shadowing is when you listen and repeat immediately. For example, you hear, "I go to work every day." You repeat instantly. "I go to work every day." No thinking, just speaking. This helps your mouth and brain work together. Now let's do a shadowing practice. Listen and repeat. I wake up early. I wake up early. I study English daily. I study English daily. I study English daily. Now let's talk about a common mistake. Many learners repeat something once and then stop. But repetition only works when you do it many times. Not once, but again and again. That is how your brain learns. Now let's talk about confidence. At first, repetition may feel boring, but slowly, something changes. You start speaking faster. You stop thinking too much. You feel more comfortable. This is confidence building. Now let's talk about consistency again. Some days you may feel lazy. Some days you may feel tired. But even then, do a little practice. Even 5 minutes is enough, because small daily practice is more powerful than long, irregular study. Now let's create your simple fluency routine. Listen to a sentence. Repeat it 3 to 5 times. Use it in your own sentence. Do this every day. That's it. Simple, but powerful. Now let's practice real-life sentences. I drink tea in the morning. I go to work every day. I am learning English step by step. Repeat each one slowly. Now change them slightly. I drink coffee in the morning. I go to study every day. I am improving step by step. Now you are not only repeating, you are creating. This is real fluency practice. Now let's talk about results. After a few days of repetition, you will notice something. Words become easier. Sentences come faster. You don't stop as much. After a few weeks, you will feel more natural. This is progress. Now let's remove pressure. Do not try to be perfect. Do not try to be perfect. Do not try to learn everything at once. Just repeat. Just practice. Just continue. Now repeat after me. I practice every day. I improve step by step. I never stop learning. Again. I practice every day. I improve step by step. I never stop learning. Very good. Now imagine your journey. At the beginning, you speak slowly. After some time, you speak more easily. After more practice, you speak naturally. This is how fluency grows. Now remember, fluency is not magic. Fluency is repetition. Fluency is consistency. So keep practicing, keep repeating, keep going every day. Because every small step you take brings you closer to fluent English.